welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I will show you guys how to achieve this very easy and simple sun-kissed makeup look. It is a perfect makeup look for the summer. If you just want to hang out by the beach or by the pool and you just want to look cute and take pictures, this is the perfect makeup look for you. It's very easy to do and you only need few makeup products for this makeup look. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. First, I'm gonna apply sunscreen and I will use the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40. Next, I will apply moisturizer and I will use the Clinique Moisturizing Gel. It's this one. Now, I'm gonna apply primer and I will use the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. Want a light foundation, so I will be using the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Sheer Foundation. Now I will apply a little bit of concealer just to cover my under eye circle, and I will be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Then now, I will apply a cream blush and I will be using the cream blush from Merit Beauty. This is the Flush Bomb Cheek color in the shade Cheeky. And I will just gonna apply it from here to here. Next, I will apply a cream eyeshadow and I will be using this matte liquid eyeshadow from Kylie Cosmetics. This is in the shade An Actual Mood. Now I'm going to set my face and I will use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now, I will do my brows and I will only apply a brow mascara and I will be using the brow mascara from Merit Beauty. Now, I will just gonna do a simple wing line and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen as my eyeliner. Now, I will curl my lashes and I will apply a mascara and I will be using the Kylash Mascara from Kylie Jenner Cosmetics. Now, I will apply a highlighter and I will use the KKW Beauty Light Highlighter. For my lips, I will take a little bit of the product from the blush that I used, and I will just use my finger and just take a little bit. I will apply that on my lips. I just want my lips to look very natural. And then on top of it, I will apply a tinted lip oil, and this is from Merit Beauty. Now, to set my face, I will use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So guys, that was it for today's makeup tutorial, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!